Welcome back to another episode of the MDOT Insider. I'm Mykia Bennett, and I'm here to keep you informed and connected to what's happening at the Maryland Department of Transportation. As always, there's lots of great information to share, so let's dive in. June is National Safety Month, a reminder that safety starts with all of us. Whether you're driving, riding, walking, or working on our roadways, MDOT continues to encourage Marylanders to make safe choices behind the wheel, stay alert, and help keep our roads safe for everyone. From work zones to everyday commutes, small actions can make a big difference. To learn more about MDOT's safety programs and resources, visit the website below. An exciting aviation event is landing at Martin State Airport this month. Cell 250 Maryland and Airshow Baltimore will bring a free 2-day open house and festival to Martin State Airport on June 27th and 28th. The event will feature aircraft displays, live music, food vendors, and family-friendly activities, with attendees also getting a chance to see participating aircraft up close, including the U.S. Navy Blue Angels. Visitors will also have the opportunity to meet pilots and crew members and experience aviation history firsthand. To learn more, visit martinstateairport.com. Last month, Governor Westmore joined elected leaders and state transportation officials to celebrate a major milestone for the Purple Line, the installation of the final segment of the rail connecting Prince George's and Montgomery counties. The completion of more than 16 miles of track marks a major step forward for the Purple Line project, which is expected to open to passengers in late 2027. Once complete, the Purple Line will offer a convenient alternative to driving between Prince George's and Montgomery counties, reducing congestion while better connecting Marylanders to jobs, education, and communities across the region. To learn more about the Purple Line project, visit purplelinemd.com. As work continues on the Purple Line, MDOT is also continuing to support the small businesses along the corridor. Last month, MDOT celebrated National Small Business Week by announcing $600,000 in new grants to support small businesses impacted by Purple Line construction. The funding will support 60 small businesses across Montgomery and Prince George's counties through MDOT's Purple Line Small Business Grant Program. Since the program launched in 2024, MDOT has awarded nearly $2.6 million in grants to help local businesses continue operating during construction. The next funding cycle opens June 29th. To learn more about the program and to apply, visit the website below. As summer travel picks up, the State Highway Administration is once again implementing seasonal ramp management programs along US 50 in Anne Arundel and Queen Anne's counties. The program is designed to help reduce congestion during peak weekend travel times while encouraging traffic to stay on US 50 and off local community roads. Temporary ramp closures will take place on select weekends through Labor Day, near the Bay Bridge in Stevensville. Drivers are encouraged to plan ahead and expect possible delays during peak travel times. To learn more about the ramp management program, visit roads.maryland.gov. Now, let's take a look at what's coming down the pike. On Sunday, June 21st, you can catch MTA's outreach team at the AFRAM Festival. While you're enjoying the music, food, and festivities, be sure to stop by the MTA table located right in front of the MTA cooling bus to meet the team, ask questions, and grab resources. As always, there are other opportunities for the community to connect with our MDOT teams. Stay in the know by signing up for our monthly community newsletter at mdot.maryland.gov. That's a wrap for this month's episode of the MDOT Insider. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to tune in next month for more MDOT news you can use. And in the meantime, stay connected with us on social media at Maryland DOT on X, Facebook, and Instagram. Be sure to share this video on your social media channels to help us reach more Maryland residents. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next month.